What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. All right, let's get into it. So, for this video, how to use the Daedalus wallet. First things first, you go to daedalus.wallet.io. Once there, you can read this information or you can choose not to, really up to you. This all is pretty helpful. Tells you what it's about, unlimited accounting, supporting all desktop platforms, etc., etc. A bunch of other wallet features and great information. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit download. This is where you're presented with the different options regarding your operating system, whether it be Mac, Linux, or Windows. And based on whatever you're going to be using, you're going to hit download. In this case, I'm going to hit download Daedalus for Mac. As you can see, I've already downloaded it earlier and did a little messing around, but we'll wait for this one to download just so you can see. Alright, so we're all downloaded. So of course you'll find this on your desktop or your downloads folder, wherever you choose to store your files. So in this case, I already have it installed. It's pretty easy to install. Just you run the package, next, next, continue, drag to the applications folder. You may have to enter in your password for your computer if you have one set, and then that's it. Now you click the little wallet. It's a little icon down in your launch pad, and then once it opens up, this is what you'll see. You'll have the option to pair with your ledger, of which you'll connect your ledger. Pretty straightforward. If you already have a wallet and say it's on another computer at a different location, or you lost your computer or something of that nature, hit restore. You can either connect with the Yoroi wallet, or you can hit Daedalus and enter in your 24-word seed phrase. This is where you enter in the 24 words. Once it's entered correctly, check recovery phrase. You'll enter a password, you'll name the wallet, and then the wallet will pop up. So then you'll see something